everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about making lasagna using our homemade lasagna sheets. Yes. Very yummy and easy cheesy one. Since I am not a professional chef, so I have no rules to break. So I made it in my own completely messy way, but it's so yummy. And before we start, please do subscribe my channel for more videos and like, share with your friends and families and comment where to improve and what to improve. Let's start. For veg stuff, we need 1 onion, 2 tomatoes and vegetables of your choice, a few garlic cloves, chili flakes for a little spicy, and a homemade lasagna sheets. For white sauce, we need fresh cream, that is around 1 cup, and mozzarella cheese. Finely chop the onion. If you are using carrot, grate the carrot so that it can cook quickly. And chop all other vegetables. Choosing a tomatoes is very important, that it should be tangy and red so that it will give the color and good flavor. And make a fine paste of tomatoes. Boil the lasagna sheets in boiling water with salt and oil. Oil helps sheets to not to stick each other. And after it is ready, just strain it and keep it aside. For the white sauce, melt the butter around 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons. Butter should not turn brown before that. Add 1 cup of fresh cream. Just stir it. Black pepper, a little salt. For the extra flavor, I'm adding onion with the cloves. It is completely optional, but we have to remove it at the last. It is almost ready. Now you can also add little cheese to be more cheesy. If you want to avoid it, just avoid it. Our white sauce is ready now. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Start with onion, the minced garlic cloves, just saute it well. Add all the veggies at the same time. Saute it well. Add salt as required. Add chili flakes. Now, for the extra flavor, here I am adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, black pepper, and now we can add our tomato paste here. Saute it well till it all gets combined and the raw smell of tomato should go. Now our veg stuff is ready. Now we have to layer it in a glass bowl. First add little white sauce and spread it around it. Add vegetable stuff. Spread it. Then place the lasagna sheets however you wish. Then again white sauce, vegetable stuff, and cheese. And repeat the step. At the end, add the white sauce and vegetable stuff and then the cheese. Now it is ready to bake. Yes, our messy cheesy lasagna is ready now. It is so yummy and cheesy. And I also tried without oven method in the pressure cooker. Don't place the bowl directly, just keep one stand like this and place it above it. If you are baking like this, you should not use the ring and the whistle. Only cover with the cap without ring and whistle. Now it is ready. It's ready to eat. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and family, and comment on it. Thank you. Bye bye.